Hello and welcome to Annie G Studio. Today I am going to be unboxing my order from Fairy Hugs. I love it's a US company, and I will be putting all these up on my website a little bit later. I just need to make sure that this is working first, so give me a minute to set up properly and see if it's coming up online. Okay, there I am. For some reason, it does not look very clear. I don't know what's up with my camera. That doesn't look very clear. Anyway, here goes. I hope you can see this. It doesn't look very focused on my end. Hold on a second. Oh. Okay. They have the cutest little stamps. I love it. They're fairies and gnomes and little houses and really, really cute. So here's Corwin. Yeah, you can see this. Okay, good. This one is Billman. Corwin was playing a saxophone. Billman is playing a violin. Wilwin is playing what looks like a clarinet. And I have really cute samples of them as well. This one is Moana. Let's see what we have here. Here's a saying, there's magic about you that is all your own. This one is Tonbek. It's another gnome. He's pushing a wheelbarrow. Tarwep is another gnome. I think he's just standing. And this is Haro, I guess, H-A-R-O, another gnome. So these guys, I think, are a little bit bigger than the original ones. No, they're about the same size. So I have 6 different gnomes that you can mix and match. Super, super cute. Okay. What is this? Mini dancing mushrooms. These are fun for scene builders, and you could do them in any color. You don't have to just do them in black. These are fun if you do the mushrooms and all the greenery in different colors, and then you could do either your fairies or your gnomes in black or blue or brown or something like that as a silhouette. It looks super cute. Stone pedestal. A lot of the fairies look great just sitting on those. Toadstool. Again, you could put a fairy on top of that. Now here are some bigger mushrooms. These are called, dotted mushrooms. And I'll pull these back so you can see the difference in the size. And then the mini ones, I'm not sure where they went. Here they go. So I have all these 3 different mushrooms that you can play with. Fairies. Her name is Zippy, and I love this one. The wheels of the bicycle are flowers. Super cute. This one is called Starla. I think he's my favorite. He's called Grog. I love him. He's funny. He's bigger than the other ones, by the way. But he's just a riot. I love this one. And tree stump. So you have a little stone stump thing, and then what do they call that? Stone something or other. Oh, here, stone pedestal and the tree stump. Later. Okay. Here's the saying: the sea, once it casts its spell, holds one in its net of wonder forever. Love that saying. And then we have some mermaids. This one is Doria. This one is Marina. And there is another one in here somewhere. I'll get to that later, but there is another one. Right here is a stone castle. And what goes really well with the stone castle is this little dragon. So you could use these two together. Gosh. I'm going to wait on these till I get the condos. Hang on. These are fireflies. They're really cute stamped, and then you just light up the tail. They look adorable. We have some more fairies. This one is Eris. She's playing a saxophone. Three of everything, but a lot of these are already spoken for. So if you see something like in this video, check out my website. It's anniegstudio.com because they're going to go fast. Some of them I will only have one left to put up on my site because some people already pre-ordered things from me. So this is Sienna. She's holding a bouquet of flowers and sitting on a mushroom toadstool. This is Oscar. I love him. It's kind of hard to see just looking at the stamp, but if you look at the samples with him, he's really cute. I love this one. And this is a net background. You could do it either horizontally or vertically. You could just stamp it regularly. You can emboss it. You could do a bunch of stuff. You could just ink part of it and have kind of like a distressed net in the background, whatever you want. Lots of options with this one. And then the last sea creature I have is the jellyfish. What is his name? Wiggles. And I have some nice samples on this one as well. Only one left of these too. So. Okay, here's the other mermaid. Her name is Melila. These are hanging vines. And I like that these are solid and these you can color in. So you have a lot of options. And I've seen some people do them up in the bottom of the page so it looks like they're walking in tall grass, or you could even use them under the sea in one of your sea scenes, like flowing kelp or seaweed or something like that. Now, this is great. This is called Fairy Condo. It's a big toadstool with a little condo, and what we have to go with it are the Condo Dwellers. This is Condo Dwellers 2, and these are the original Condo Dwellers. And they just look adorable together. So you can have them flying in and out of their little condos, little houses. And you can also, this is called Gnome Mansion, but you could also use your Condo Dwellers with the Gnome Mansion as well. It'd be really cute. And this one comes with 2 little gnomes. And this is, where's the name on this one? Oh, Fairy Branches. And I like this because you could do a lot. You can hang things from the branch. There's a lot of options. So you can, they're for building a scene, the background for your fairies. Or for anything, really. And then, these are already spoken for, so I'm not even going to show you because, well, actually I will. These are, they're designed for slimline card. And they're just the card fronts. They're not a full card. I think there's, how many, 4 or 5 in a pack or 6 in a pack, something like that. And that way you have a background ready to go already. These are already spoken for. I may put mine up. I was going to take one myself, but I think I'm going to put it on the website. So I should have one left on the website for you all to grab. If you like them, let me know. I would love feedback, whatever you see here. Again, go to anniegstudio.com. And check out my website. These will be on my website. Today is Saturday, the 15th. They will be on my website by the end of the day. I am going out of town for a couple of weeks, and there's a notice on my website for when that will be. I will be shipping up until the day before I leave, and I'll start shipping again when I get back. So please take a look. Again, anniegstudio.com. And please like me on Facebook. You can also check me out on TikTok, Pinterest, and Instagram as well. Again, they're all Annie G Studio. So if you just, YouTube as well. So if you just search for Annie G Studio, you should find all of those. Thank you very much. I hope you liked what you saw.